Imagine a time when towering palaces, adorned with intricate carvings, stood alongside vibrant bazaars filled with spices, textiles, and art. This was the reality of the Mughal Empire, one of the most influential and culturally rich empires in Indian history. Spanning from the early 16th century to the 19th century, the Mughal Empire not only shaped the landscape of India, but also created a beautiful tapestry of culture that resonates to this day. At its peak, the empire was a powerhouse, encompassing a vast territory that included modern-day India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. The story of the Mughal Empire is one of incredible leadership, breathtaking architecture, and the blending of diverse traditions. Founded by Babur, a descendant of the legendary Genghis Khan and the Timurids, the Mughal dynasty brought with it a unique mix of Persian, Indian, and Islamic influences. Under the reign of Akbar the Great, who ruled from 1556 to 1605, the empire transformed into a beacon of religious tolerance and cultural exchange. Akbar was not just a conqueror, he was an innovator who believed in integrating the various cultures within his vast empire. He embraced the art of diplomacy, reaching out to Hindu Rajputs, Christians, and even Zoroastrians. His vision was to create a society where people of different backgrounds could coexist peacefully, which is a remarkable lesson for us even today. This cultural fusion wasn't limited to politics. It permeated through art, literature, and architecture. The construction of the majestic Taj Mahal, a symbol of love and an architectural marvel, showcased the exquisite craftsmanship of Mughal builders. The empire's unique style is evident in its detailed frescoes, intricate mosaics, and enchanting gardens that continue to inspire admiration. The Mughal Empire also fostered a rich literary tradition, with poets and scholars producing works that reflect the empire's diverse cultures. The flourishing of languages like Urdu and Hindi during this period is a testament to this vibrant cultural amalgamation. As we reflect on the legacies of the Mughal Empire, we see a narrative of cooperation and creativity that challenges the common misconception of rigid cultural boundaries. It serves as a reminder of the power of tolerance and the beauty of cultural fusion.